All right, welcome back. Good morning to you. I hope all is well with you. Please, if you come across this video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to this very channel. You see, I am not supposed to talk about this woman now, but I have to because she refused to learn. She refused to, control herself. I'm talking about pineapple haircut woman. This one you are seeing here, Lolo Chimezie. I asked a question if her husband is a king like Igwe or even or no, you understand? But she like you all know, people can claim anything. People can pretend to be who they are not. You never can tell. But it's always good for you to be sure of what you are saying. She want to tell us who to follow, like the people that are getting it right. Because she claimed that she went to Sokoto State and Master Nagano told her that the only people that people should follow is DOS, which cannot be possible. In that the same video, Master Nagano told her that DOS, that some of them have compromised. She don't bother to know those that compromise and those who is not compromised. Those of them that have compromised and those that don't compromise, she don't bother to find out. She don't care. You know the reason? Because the person pushing her is the person that she felt that cannot do anything, that she is the right-hand person to Americano. Is no other than the wife. But current concern, the Africans actually know who to follow and who to believe on. There are some things you must do for people to follow you, and that thing is being truthful, being sincere. You have right to choose whoever you want to follow. That's your business. That's your choice. But the moment you begin to teach what you don't know, to gain people's attention and people's support, you end up messing yourself up. First thing first, DOS are not actually representing Mass Americano. Listen, the Mass kind of organize them, he's the leader and all that, does not mean that these people are answerable or loyal to Mass American anymore. They have come out and said that the way the owner of Oba is being pushed away, the Mass can also be pushed away. That it doesn't matter anymore. That the leadership is the person, the only option. Does Mass mention to her anything leadership or IPOB? Which of them are you talking about? Now, this one failed to understand that she was talking to Igbo people. Our people will see something from you before they follow. No genuine Igbo person will see someone that is pure empty. Your hands are empty. You don't carry anything, let alone carrying what people may want to have access to. People will just start following you sheepishly because Master said, you think that if Master don't carry something, people will follow him because of what? They have seen what the Master represents, what he can do. That is the reason why people follow him. Please, this is 4 minutes to this video, and I want you to like the video. As you know, this is not recording video. This is not a live stream, it's a recording video. So I want you to like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Of course, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel. Now, some of you may think that Kai report, you have issue with this woman. Why do you hate her so much? I don't hate her, but I hate liars and deceivers. You cannot tell us that DOS is the way to go. Please, I want you to listen to this. Then you cannot tell me what you have. What is your take? I don't want to interrupt her. Let us just hear from her from beginning to the end. Okay? Is there any way I can expand this? Let me put it this way, so that we can now follow her and her statement very, very well. Listen. Why? Because remember, the same woman told us, something that I said, I'm not going to interrupt, but I have to, because it's very, very important. In one of her videos where she was attacking DPM Dr. Abeze, she made it clear that you cannot be in abroad. Now, I command if any men are by. Now, she's not connecting abroad. Cannot support the US to achieve what exactly? To also command somehow in Abai. What does that tell you? These are just bunch of distractors. She have signed to distract Igbo people, and whoever that contract her, she need to go and the person need to go and question her. She's not doing well, and you guys know that. Listen to her. I just want you to pay close attention to everything that she said here. Start from the beginning.
Peace. I can maka na onye ndị iro gbara gburugburu na-eche ndụ ya nche. Anyị ama nna rahụs na enwedego peace. No, the peace is even far from us. Anyị need-kwara ịdị na-agba mbọ ịhụ na udo ahụ kachiri, because ọtụtụ ihe abatago n'ala Igbo. Ọtụtụ ndị dị involved na insecurity n'ala Igbo, of which m ga-ejisi nwayọọ na-agwa anyị my findings so that obodo ọbụla mara ka ha si anọkwara. Mana ihe m na-agwa unu, one thing m na-agwa unu Igbo ebe ọ bụla unu nọ for sure wụ na enwere plan ime jihad n'ala Igbo, chụsịsị anyị n'ala Igbo, nke mekwere and mmadụ anọsịrị n'ala Igbo, nke mere m ji na-ekwu polygamy as a form of inweta population, because ọtụtụ ụmụ anyị na-anwụ na mba dị iche iche ama nnata. Anyị ma na ụmụ anyị mụsụrụ ụmụ na mba ha anatabeghị, ọ na bụ ụmụaka mụ ga-anata, and then na-eme ka anyị ghọtakwa na ọ bụ etu a ka ndị Fulani si wee kpasuo ndị ọzọ bichie ebe ha. Today, ha bụ ndị na-awagharị atọ ndị ha na-abịa, and ndị Fulani ahụ eleela anya hụ na ọnwa ala Igbo dị ka nke dị vacant n'obere oge mmadụ nọ na ya ga-agwụ, at least ndị Igbo nọ na ya ga-ekpochapụ dị ụtụ ụmụ anyị mụtọchi na mba dị iche iche ama nnata ya ka njikwa na-eti mgbe ahụ.
Now, can you imagine someone that is teaching you that this is how Fulanis abandon their land and other people, occupy their land, and now the Fulanis are now they're considering our Igbo land to be the land that is vacant for them to take over? Did you hear that, or you want me to take it back? Let me take it back so you hear that, because this history is this is her own version of history. Is shocking.
Polygamy as a form of inweta population, because ọtụtụ ụmụ anyị na-anwụ na mba dị iche iche ama nnata. Anyị ma na ụmụ anyị mụsụrụ ụmụ na mba ha anatabeghị, ọ na bụ ụmụaka mụ ga-anata, and then na-eme ka anyị ghọtakwa na ọ bụ etu a ka ndị Fulani si wee kpasuo ndị ọzọ bichie ebe ha.
Can you imagine? Please, where in the history, please, that Fulanis baffle those of Bichie. Tell us which part of the world is Fulanis in our ancestral land that other people have now taken over. Please, I want to understand, because am I wrong or right? Please put it on comment section, because I have never come across any history book or any storyteller that says that Fulanis, abandon their land, other people not take over. They are the one taking people's land over. What is wrong with this woman? That's what Fulani people do. How can you now try to put it as if they are not victim? Listen.
Today, how would I worry at on the and then the Fulani Helena, who know what he would get it vacant. Nobody knows the mother on the Aga, at least the one on the Aga, which I put you to. Oh, my much in number, teacher, I'm not. Ya can't go near Simba. Here was our population. Population now, we also, you won't know. I did Chinyanya, Chinyono, Marie Hage there.
You should tell us how many children you have. You yourself that is talking. Only Kimo, one room has only Kimo. It must have been one. No kind on a Jew, because I don't know. Again, a punk again. Again, it's pineapple again. I just want to know if you want to tell us how to bear children in quantum. Tell us number of children that you have produced and the benefit of that for your to your own family.
Na-agwakwa na ọrụ anyị ga-akọntinu. Na-agwụnụ na ihe m fụkasịrị n'ala Igbo otu dị iche iche. Like m gwara ụnụ na mbụ na enwebeghị nga m gagidere n'ala Igbo bụ IPOB. Monde ka m na-aka eji akpagharị. So enweghị ndị na-eme enforce it at home. Monde ka m na-aka eji akpagharị n'ala Igbo. Ya ka m ji wee lecha anya mee vidio sị ndị gọvanọ anyị na-atụ Igbo kwe echefugo na ọsịtatụ kpọtara ndị anyị. Na ndị Igbo ka na-anọkwa na dasịtatụ ọ ya akpalite ihe Anambra now.
That's not true. Sit at home is not the reason why Nigerian army, invaded Igbo land. No. Anybody that says that is a liar and a deceiver.
And thank God he's here on. What's up, Nanya Alpha? Can I buy any lamb barrier? I won't my pop anywhere. ESM. And them now who knows a web about army. And them what I one day, one Dana, and this woman under the command. This
is the reason why this woman is a bunch of liar and deceiver. You don't need to take her seriously in any shape or form. The reason why I'm actually writing on her videos is for those of you who may consider what she's saying to be true. Mama don't have anything written on their face. Mama. If Bago don't have anything written on their face, unless if you're part and parcel of the security, those who know them, once they see them, they know. You don't have access to that unless you are part. Maybe you have worked with the Bago or army in the past. Then I can relate. Do you understand? Then I can answer. Okay, you know your colleagues when you see them.
And they are flying the Depression Army. And there are Simon Eba and had instructions on that time. So much and the guy put us no Simon Eba. Or to have to require you. Maka on a court of honor. So Simon Eba to get and to know young again to now again now. Okay, and so I need any so time. Although he has Simon they make what contribute to. Mana even they want to name many of us all behind me. Man, a lot of findings of Katasi. One look at him now, simple. Now, here, I come to a glass of cocoa. Come cannot on now, the Carlo.
Even why is such a look so innocent to compare this useless woman? You are not telling us that you just realize that you need to talk to Master Namadekano when he's in Sokoto. All this while that we are meeting with him in a law court when he was in DSS. You have been in the courts, in his court case, time with that number. You never for once asked all this stupid, useless question that you're asking now. You are asking it now because now it is now that you have put pen on the paper to sign contracts powered by a Jofo and probably Uche Chikan. This is my own instinct, please. My opinion. I'm not saying that what I just said now is verifiable. I did not verify anything. I'm just telling you what my mind is telling me, that the person contracted this woman is Ifeanyi Ejiofor, Uche Chikan, and maybe other politicians. What I say is my opinion, not something that I verified. This is my own instinct. My mind is telling me that these people are responsible for this new job. She used to meet Masamukan in the court in DSS back then. She never for once asked Masamukan those questions. Those questions prompt up none simply because it could be because she have signed something to do something for another people or for other group. You know what I mean by that. Listen, let her continue the meeting.
Of which I don't try on. I got my little when he came up my attack. When I got him, I got a good thing, but not half of my iPod, not enough, so I put no more. Well, of course,
somebody that is attacking people is looking for who to attack. That somebody said, what are you doing here? You are attacking everybody now. You are attacking Masaman directly. You are attacking every other person that are not US that contracted you. You are actually attacking PM and anybody that follow PM that is to him. You are attacking the sit at home. You are attacking everything. If you are proud of what you are saying, why do you cover your eyes? And you see, when you started, you was dangling. You are trying to comport yourself to summon courage to carry out these lies that will lead you to nowhere.
Who has a way of overshadowing lies? But it will take time. When I got here newly, it was terrible. Now my social media account, the way I happen. When I want them fans, and they want them people, can you have a So we have fines.
So do you now have fine? The fine you have is US members. That's the fine you have.
Yeah,
You don't have another one.
Because I'm a million and I'm a million people. And I'm not being able to do the money gets in and thank God the money about water. You need to have the where Yaga and my peace. And can continue name with peace. Okay, I think I part so for the hand. I won't run a young people. Because Kono, he iPop at me. Because all the party and party come to soon. On your black so no iPop name any no. Jitania, on your name no. iPop for me, for length, and when I hope I meant well. But the man not I mean well. I can have blackmail. So most of you need able to iPop in the blackmail. And then I'm the color, like one on your only sheet DOS. So no yet and iPop can of which by extension, only what can I can see. In our plan, when I go no one deal, in our plan, on the DOS. But or was it to Nambicalo? In your plan, but on our one nature or cheese, you see, every I want you see the people at a dollar. Okay, she had to do his DOS. No check him. So,
so no checking, but you have made it as if that is what it is. Oyoshi, anything must come through DOS. So you are making this your video now through because they asked to do it. The same DOS that said the people, Biafran should not protest because all of you are trying to water everything down to favor politicians. That's the job, that's the assignment, that's the source that your money is coming from. No other person will come out and say what you have said boldly on the street of the Biafra land and get away with it. You are moving from year to year, no problem. You understand? You're no problem. And you think people don't count all those things. Listen. Don't listen to this woman. She don't mean anything good at all. This is who she is. She's a well-known saboteur, always selling fake information to people, deceiving people. I don't know what she wants actually with that, but like I said, I believe she must have been contracted to do it, and she's just been reaching herself through that method. Tell me what you think about what she said. Let me know your take on this. Do you agree with it? Because everything is just to promote IPOP, according to her. To promote IPOP. So you should just focus on IPOP. They are the ones that are giving you the information. Guess what? Before I end this video, I want you to just for you to know the person that posted the video. This one called Biafran Writers, aka Family Writers. Lolo Neka Chimezie call for full support to support peaceful movement for the freedom of Biafra, encouraging Indigo to follow directorates of the state, DOS, the government body of IPOB for effective directive. Directive on what? Who is the leader? Masquerading one non-entity who know nothing about freedom to start giving you directive. That's it. The only thing you can direct is how point and buy. People that can point and buy. That's what. Honestly, anybody that is not paying attention to all this nonsense, now you they do yourself. People that testified against PM, and you are telling me you are bringing Biafra. How? Where? For 5 years, the Master is not here. Mention one thing that this guy have directed. Nothing apart from dragging money, raising fund, and swallowing the money like a python in Nigeria. Anyway, please, like I said, let me know what your take on all this is. It's very, very sad to see. What can we do? Nothing. God bless you. Take care of yourself.